Hello, my loves. Today, this meditation is to help you release any shame you've been carrying for cross-dressing, for being you. So when you're ready, let's go ahead and get in a nice, comfortable position and go ahead and take in a nice, deep breath. And as you exhale, go ahead and close your eyes and just settle into this moment, into right here, into right now. And I want you to imagine that in front of you is a movie screen. It's about 6 feet in front of you. And as you look at this movie screen, just look up about 20 feet so that you're looking up at this movie screen. That's right. Now you're about to watch yourself on this movie screen, releasing any shame for who you are and how you express yourself, even when that includes cross-dressing. So I want you to see yourself up on that movie screen, living your life, being you. And I want you to imagine that you can hear someone telling you that you are worthy of being you and receiving love and enjoying your life just like everyone else is around you. You get to live your life for you. So take in this message, and any doubt that comes up, begin to gather it so that you can release it. Now I want you to see yourself on your screen, just enjoying your life. Imagine yourself getting dressed, wearing the colors you enjoy, the clothing you enjoy. Perhaps you see yourself wearing your day-to-day outfits, and then perhaps the outfits you wear when you're alone, or when you feel like you want to give yourself the opportunity to express more of who you are. And perhaps this feels like cross-dressing or wearing different clothing that some would say are for a different gender than you are, or perhaps how they identify you as, or you identify as. Perhaps cross-dressing is just another part of you, a part of you to be explored, to be accepted, to be loved. So now I want you to imagine that you're on this screen and you're able to gather up all of the doubt, all of the shame that you've been carrying, perhaps for years. So just imagine that this shame has a color, and you're able to just gather up all of the shame from every part of your body, from your mind. Just gather it up now. Very, very well. So just gather up that shame. See the color of the shame that you've been carrying. And now just imagine that you're able to release the shame through your chest. Just letting it go, letting it go. Just see the color release as a form of smoke. Just releasing out into the universe. Just let it go until that smoke runs clear and you've released all of that shame you've been carrying. Perhaps you even notice that your shoulders feel lighter. You can breathe deeper. You feel calmer, safer, steadier, more supported. Continuing to breathe in and breathe out. Just receiving the oxygen that nourishes you. all the way to each and every cell. Knowing that as you released this shame that you've been carrying for cross-dressing, you've also released the shame for just being you, for being yourself. And now you've made more space to receive love, to receive joy and gratitude, confidence. As you watch yourself on that screen, notice how you lose nothing by giving up the shame and negative feelings around being you and wearing what you want to wear. And just notice how by being yourself and releasing the shame, you actually are gaining more confidence. And you're making space for more abundance in the forms of love, health, wealth, and quality of life. The more you accept yourself and all parts of you, the easier it is for your quality of life to be enhanced. And you're witnessing this right now on the movie screen in front of you. Reminding yourself that carrying shame does nothing for you. So releasing the attempt to control how others feel about you, or denying yourself who you are in an attempt to make others happy. Truly understanding and knowing that others' happiness is out of your control. You are responsible for your happiness, and everyone else is responsible for their own happiness. So you just get to be you. As you notice yourself on the screen, give yourself permission to be you, to enjoy your life, to make yourself happy, because happiness is an inside job. And the more you accept every part of yourself, the more you let love flow into every part of yourself, the greater your life is. The more happiness you experience, and you're worth that. So now just notice yourself living life without shame, living your life with confidence and acceptance of every part of you, of who you are, even the part of you that enjoys cross-dressing. Just let that love and acceptance flow into your chest, allowing you to breathe deeper, giving yourself permission to be you, to delight in your life, to enjoy who you are. Just notice yourself on that screen, enjoying your life as you be yourself, since you've released the shame. See all the colors, make it nice and bright. Hear your laughter, your own delight. Notice the beauty around you and how comfortable you feel in your own skin and the clothing you wear, and how you choose to express yourself, knowing that you are creating a life that enhances your happiness, your gratitude, your joy, and you are worthy of it all, just as the person next to you is. noticing if there is any shame left within your mind or your body that can be released now. If so, just let it go, let it go, let it go. Just release it. And make room for more love, more acceptance, more confidence in who you are. Knowing that change is happening, that what you see on that movie screen is unfolding for you, that you're enough, your life matters, you're special, you're loved, and you get to be you. Go ahead and take another nice deep breath. And as you exhale, go ahead and open your eyes, returning to your day. Very, very well done. If you want to, you can imagine that you're taking the movie you just created and you're handing it up to the universe, to your higher power, to your higher self, to the universal intelligence, so they can assist you in making that movie, what you saw on the screen, really come true. I'm Steph. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and say hi in the comments. And say it with me before you go. I am enough. I matter. I make a difference. My life is important. I am special too. And I am sending you endless love until we meet again. May you be happy and may you be peaceful. I'll see you next time.